Hi, this is a big shout out for Wesley Virgin. Okay, this is a review for the program, the very good program, the excellent program of Overnight Millionaire for Wesley Virgin. It is was so helpful for me. It's working on the mindset to help you get a lot of successful things in your mind and leave negativity away and exchange it by positivity. Also, you will change your mind to think as a millionaire. So let's take a review or get a review of what is the overnight millionaire. Actually, I bought it from 1 year, yes, 1 year ago, and it's helped me a lot and a lot. Okay, it helped me in my life and in my work, and I become a very trusted person. I have the power in my spirit, in my mind, in my relations with other. So let's begin. Overnight millionaire. It's talk about what? Sorry. Vibrational wealth coded frequencies. What's that? Every man had what? Frequencies in his body. We are living in frequencies. So this program will what? Will suit your vibrational frequencies to get what? To be suited with the millionaire mindset. Okay? You will get and you will take to you all the best things of the world. Okay? Hypnotic Suggestions, Millionaires and Billionaires Best Kept Secret. Okay? This program contains a lot of secrets that millionaires hide from us. Okay? Okay. 3. Neuro-linguistic programming. Okay? Belief transformation. Instant ritual to change cancerous beliefs in 7 days flat. Emotionalized journal writing to accelerate goal achievement. Here he will give you what? Give you a way to what? To set your goals and repeat it every day until it be what? A real in your mind. And if it is be real in your mind and you believe it, it will come to you in life. Okay? Okay. What else? Powerful sleep supplemental audios. I want to say that all the program are contains of audios files, and these audios files are by the sound of Wesley. Okay, and he has a wonderful sound that keeps you concentrating and focusing on the goals and what refreshing your mind. Try it, don't forget to try it, because it so helped me. And it is what? It is just by $37. It is nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing just to help you. This man wants to help others. Why? Because he depends on the say that if someone helped me before to be a millionaire, I'll help others to be other millionaires. Okay? Okay. And also, he will get rid of negative thoughts, deprogramming, say goodbye to all negative thoughts, okay? And unconscious manipulation to boost instant change, okay? As we have talked before. Also, he will concern with the alpha state of the mind, inductions, to clear your mind for rapid manifestation, okay? As I said, I can't talk about everything about this program because you have to buy it in order to see the reality of what I have said. Okay, unless you listen to the audios, you will not let me say, you will not believe in what I say. But I'm talking because I tried actually, and it's helped me so much and so much. And please, I advise you to what? To buy it and don't forget to buy it. Thank you very much, and thank you, Wesley.